The Web3 Metaverse is a trend that is supposed to revolutionize the digital world, but the richest man in real life, Elon Musk, is not interested in Web3. In a recent interview, the SpaceX and Tesla CEO said he doesn't see a compelling use case for the virtual reality-powered metaverse, mocking Web3, a nebulous concept in which internet services are rebuilt around blockchain and cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we will talk about why Elon Musk is not a big fan of Web3 or the metaverse, and what he has to say about Web3. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Elon Musk admitted he may be too old to understand these new technologies. Am I like one of those people who dismissed the internet in 1995 as a fad or something that will never come to anything? He suggested, before pointing out that in 1995, he was one of the individuals who understood the potential of the internet. NFTs are blockchain-based digital tokens that symbolize someone's ownership of something, and Web3 is what some say is the next iteration of the digital world, which will also live on a blockchain. All of this is in contrast to today's websites run by Web2 tech mega corporations like Google or Amazon. In theory, this will give people more autonomy over their online presence. Then, of course, there's the metaverse, the hottest buzzword of the moment, describing what many technologists are saying will be the eventual upgrade of the internet, where everyone plays, lives, and works in the virtual space using virtual reality and augmented virtual reality equipment. Musk's criticism of the metaverse focused on a lack of compelling use cases and a disappointing experience for consumers. Of course you can put a TV on your nose, I'm not sure that makes you into the metaverse, he said. I don't see anyone strapping a fucking screen to their face all day and never wanting to leave. It seems like it's not possible. He later added, I currently don't see a compelling metaverse situation. Elon Musk tweeted a TikTok of an interview between Bill Gates and David Letterman in 1995, asking, given the almost unimaginable nature of the present, what does the future hold? Right now, the metaverse is mostly an over-the-top branding exercise for a number of virtual worlds, some of which rely on VR headsets to access them. Critics point out that we've basically tried all of these technologies before, with the failure of the virtual reality boom of the 90s and the rise of spaces like Second Life in the early 2000s. What this current iteration mainly offers, it is improved material, new title, and billions of dollars in backing from giants like Facebook-owned Meta, eager to control what they see as the next big digital platform. Web3 is another alternative vision of the internet's future, largely driven by the idea that ordinary internet users will be able to benefit directly from their online content and activity instead of that value being captured by a few tech giants. Musk hasn't spent much time discussing Web3, but he's expressed his skepticism about the project on Twitter before, joining tech CEO Jack Dorsey. Dorsey's criticism is that Web3 won't democratize anything. It'll simply shift power from existing incumbents like Facebook to launch venture capital funds like Andreessen Horowitz. Many people agree with Musk that Web3 is currently just a buzzword, as it is still in its infancy. For some, it's not yet developed enough to be considered completely real, but fans see it differently. Traces of Web3 are already visible in decentralized finance or DeFi applications, in decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs, and in the NFT space. Companies like Kickstarter and Discord have even tried to start building on Web3 despite backlash from their users. With the rise of cryptocurrencies and talk of NFTs, Web3 and the metaverse have also garnered the hype, but Musk's dissociation from the latter three is perhaps a major point. There's more noise around the bottom three. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.